Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the phase MCQs. First MCQs is the direction of angular displacement is along axis of rotation in the plane of rotation perpendicular to the plane of rotation and both A and C. We know that the angular quantities of the object, if are they moving clockwise or anti-clockwise, this is the clockwise direction, this is the axis of rotation and this is also the axis of rotation. If the object is moving clockwise or anti-clockwise, the direction of angular displacement that is denoted by theta it along the axis of rotation, or we can say that it is the perpendicular to the plane of rotation, that is make the angle of 90 degree in the plane of rotation. So here we say that the both options are correct, that along the axis of rotation are perpendicular to the plane of rotation. So our option is both A and C is correct. Now we calculate the angular velocity of the spin motion of the earth is, we calculate the spin motion of the earth. We know that the axis is rotate about its axis and the time period is 24 hours. Now we calculate the angular velocity. We know the angular velocity formula, that is equal to 2 pi over t. Calculate the spin motion of the earth, so we write is s, and here is also is the s. So omega s is equal to 2 pi. Spin motion of the earth is time period is 24 hour and 2 pi radian. So our answer is omega s is equal to pi by 12 radian per hour. So our correct option is pi by 12 radian per hour. Now we calculate the ratio of dimension of angular acceleration to angular velocity, give dimension of time, frequency, length and mass. Now we know that the ratio of the angular acceleration to angular velocity, unit of angular acceleration is that is equal to radian per second square, and unit of angular velocity is radian per second. So we can write it that is equal to 1 hour second, and 1 hour second that is equal to hertz, that is the unit of frequency. So the B option is correct, that is the frequency.